Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. Greene Concept. I always say it, ticker symbol is INKW, but I call it a B Water Gang. So I am happy and excited because we hold a very important resistance level sitting right our 60-day moving average, the yellow line right up here, sitting at right at 0.22. Even we came in below today, on Friday on 0.218, quickly came back and recovered on that. Before I talk on the technical side, right, I want to show you guys what are the key, how the market is reacting, right? And I want to share some inflation fear going on right now, right? Is the fear is real because it's going to affect all the commodity goods like water, right? And it's what we are looking at, right? So right now in from 2020 all the way in July during the pandemic, right, we went up high of 5.2%, right up here, 5.4%, right? And compared to 5 years, right, we've been roughly sitting at 2, and now we're going high of 6. This is the very important data because I'm going all the way back on 2009, right? On 2009, when we had the uh, market crash or something like, yeah, we did have a market crash, right? It came all the way up high, and then we came right back and reset it, right? I'm not saying there's a market crash is coming, anything like that, but something we need to be very, very aware of it, right? Not a final advisor, nothing like that. This is all my research. I'm just doing on my research what I found, right? Definitely not a final advisor, technical advisor or any sort of it. Just wanted to show you guys because we are coming to a period of inflation coming in, and it could affect some of the stocks, all the stocks, especially the stock market during that time, right? Because we've seen an increase of 5.4% in June 2021. 5 point, in May was only 5%, so it's increasing, right? The fuel prices, the used cars, they all went up like massive, right? Massive, right? So I know it's nothing kind of relates with in Greene Concepts per growth, but something we need to aware because the plastic bottles and stuff you use to make it, right? It's those prices cost goes up. It's very difficult for any companies to deal with that. So the cost is involved. So just want to quickly share with that. So let's talk about the technical analysis on that. I'm excited, folks. I'm just really excited what I see it, right? We have all the support and resistance leveled. I'm gonna go that this is on year to date before I go back and show you guys more. That the year to date is still on the uptrend right here. We still have RSI sitting right at 50.67. There's a lot of room for uptrend. MACD is still solid. Volume is was 6.76 on Friday. So that's because we've been trading like like close to 4 million to 5 million, and volume is increasing. We all know volume predicts price, and I'm excited about it, right? This is some of the very important technical that I want to share with you guys. On the year to date, the yellow line sitting at 0.20, the 20 EMA is sitting right up here at 0.30, and now right at 0.24 is sitting our 200 day, right? I'm gonna go back quickly on the 6 months, right, to have a better picture with you guys. I'm gonna go 3 months, 2 hour time frame. This is the one that I'm talked to you guys about last week. A couple of days ago about this crossover. You see how the last video, if you watch the last video, you know that I'm talking about this crossover, right? The 60 days right here and the 200 day right here, right? MACD selling pressure is going down. The reason being I was saying that I need these things to cross over. Once we cross over, it's going to give us a clear indication of an uptrend coming, right? Right now, all the signs are signals and everything is pointing towards that, but it's not a confirmation yet. But I'm very confident you can see a crossover coming through, right? Hey folks, also don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, turn on the notification. if you are really interested in Greene Concept and want to be constantly be updated on that. This is a long-term stock, folks. This is one of my long-term investment stocks, right? Where I invest money and have a plan towards the ultimate goal, right? So in past video we talked about it also. The 0.27 is a massive resistance level. We got rejected all the way in June, came back on June 7, came all the way back and retested at 0.0013. And as mentioned it, that is the loading zone. This is the demand zone. Because when we came to the demand zone, we pushed high. Then we went to the level 2 on demand zone, and we pushed up high of again, and we tested it 0.027, and we got rejected it again, right? And then we got tried trading sideways. And I did mention you guys that we need to hold, right? I don't want all the way coming back, because if we didn't hold and came back and tested at 0.09 and closed, it's a downtrend pattern. Right now it's still showing an uptrend, right? Moving go is all the way high from 0.013, but our all-time ultimate high so far was 0.15. Is there is a reversal coming, right? Signs are pointing towards it, because the last breakup that we had, we got rejected and came back. So we have to be very careful on that moving forward, right? So far the MACD selling pressure is there, but it's not a massive sell-off, right? Because it's not a massive sell-off, we're still showing a life of uptrend, right? A life of uptrend that I'm seeing. So all we need to watch on Monday, right? This is very important, folks. Very important. On Monday, the 60-day moving average needs to cross over the 200-day moving average. Once it's crossed over, it's gonna line up with this 20-day EMA right here, the blue line, right, sitting at right point 0.24, and 60-day moving average cross over here, because it will act as a massive support moving forward, right? Do I see it breaking out 0.27? Well, nobody can predict the future, right? But based on the technical analysis, if it holds over there, there's a very high probability that it's gonna break out 0.27 and then test the highs of 0.029 and 0.231, right? Because once it's break out, the 0.31 is another massive support resistance level that we need to break out, and then all the way high moving forward, right? So how did we did on the 5-day? 5-day, we have recovered all the way from 0.18 all the way 0.27, came back, and we hold. That's the thing I was looking. We hold strong. We've been holding it strong, and that is very important on the 5-day time frame, right? Because it's not a pump and dump where people will sell it off right away, and you'll see it right here, like on the 1 month, right? On the 1 month time frame, we have this crossover that we had as a confirmation. I was telling you guys that once we have this confirmation, you'll see uptrend, and we got it. I'm excited for you guys. Finally seeing some gains on 3 months. Right now we are crossing it over on the it's about to cross over 6 month 4 hour time frame, right? It's gonna be very critical that we cross over 0.24 our 60-day moving average. So that's all I have, folks. We have a lot of things going on coming week. Inflation is rising up. It's something that we need to watch very carefully on your portfolios, whatever stocks, the growth stocks you're having, because inflation is a no joke and something we need to really pay attention. I'm here to panic you guys or anything. Just something to be very careful on watching moving forward, right? All those stocks do affected on that. Well, folks, that's all I have, right? All I have. I'm going to do a recap video on Monday after the market closes. My prediction is that we will be testing the high of 0.26 to 27 again, and see if it holds on get rejected. So I'm very confident it's coming back to 0.27 again, because kind of found he's a massive support sitting over here, and I'm excited about it. So that's all I have. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on the notification if you guys want to constantly be updated on Water Gang. Yes, I'm not gonna say Greene Concept. I like the because Water, and with the deal with Amazon was massive,
And this is all sign of growth, right? That's all you want to hear. So that's all I have, folks. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. And good luck on Monday trading. Thank you.